What's going on, guys? It is Stevaki again. I am here with Mrs. Stevaki and itty bitty Stevaki at the back again, and we are on the way to Princeton, Minnesota to Rigs to Rods for delivery day. Now, if you don't know what that means, I've been telling you we're getting some work done on the V6 Mustang for Mrs. Stevaki. Now, this is a one-off exhaust from Rigs to Rods. Every single piece of it, from the manifold back, is custom made just for us. There's no other one like it. There's ones that are similar, but I'm guaranteeing there's nothing exactly like this. We worked for a solid week just hammering out what we wanted to do, what mufflers we wanted to do, what piping we wanted to use, what we wanted to use for flanges, if we wanted to use V-band or just clamp or just weld, everything you don't typically think of when you do an exhaust. When you just buy one, it just, slips into your factory slots. No, this one is 100% one of a kind from the bottom end up. It should sound amazing because Rob, who owns Rigs to Rods, who's also one of my very, very good friends, I literally consider this man family, is very, very particular about his exhaust because that's his bread and butter. So we are on the way. It's about an hour drive, so we'll see you up there after our little adventure. We'll get some video of that too. Love you guys. So we did a little exploring at the local Walmart, and it wasn't here when we pulled in. By the way, the Walmart just north of Elk River, awesome. But check this out. What a beauty. That is definitely a fun car to find, and it definitely has been resprayed, but it is an actual GT350. It's got the dash plaque and everything, the blank of blank number, but it looks pretty dang cool. So here we are at Rigs to Rods. Jessica's right there with Alex, and the Mustang's actually up on the lift just getting final touches. We wanted to make sure that it was absolutely perfect, but Rigs to Rods specializes in everything. I mean, they've got everything from RVs to big rigs like that guy behind me, and then I'll walk around, I'll show you a few of their cars they have here. A lot of these cars are awesome. Heather's, she got a Ford Flex, Rob's got an F-150, and then they've got a bunch of other cars here as well. And it is just amazing to see the creativity that goes on. So I'll turn you around, and literally everything. There's the Subaru, but here is Rob's forgotten sacrifice, and it is a beautiful truck. And then we've got this old Bel Air, got the workers' cars, another customer car, and here's Heather's Cadillac, and it's pretty dang awesome. And then we got workers' motorcycle, another customer car. We're gonna go into the shop here. Another customer vehicle, another project, and the F-100 project. Rob's been working on this one for a while. It's almost done. And yes, boys and girls, that is a Coyote powered F-100. And there's the V6. Rob working his butt off on it. Now I'm going to show you guys underneath. There she is. There's the man, the myth, and the legend, jamming out with his earphones. But that's what we're doing. See, it's still back there, and we're gonna be having a great time. Well, guys, not everything always goes to plan. So I am currently driving the V6 home It was planned for Mrs. Stevaki to be, you know, driving her baby home. I know the white balance is really, really out right now, so I apologize. Her phone holder is a lot lower than mine. As you can see, her beautiful mint steering wheel from NRG. But I am almost back home. Left Briggs to Rods. It's about an hour drive home. It's rush hour, unfortunately. The V6 sounds like no other V6 I've heard. It is a one-off exhaust from Briggs to Rods, so it's literally custom diameter tubing, stainless all the way back, custom tips chosen by Jessica, Mrs. Stevaki, and it feels a lot better power-wise. Yeah, it can definitely breathe a lot better. You're probably hearing the exhaust drone. But that comes with, you know, V6s and getting drone. I'm currently behind the slowest lumber truck ever, but dang, lumber truck should have, you know, armored guards at this point with how expensive it is. But I will be home in a little bit, and we will see Mrs. Stevaki's reaction. Hey guys, sorry, I forgot to film an outro for this one. Yesterday was Memorial Day, which was an extremely emotional day for my family and my extended family alike. It was a hectic week before that, so it's taken me about a week to do this. I do want to say thank you to all my veterans out there, and I also especially want to thank all of those who have given the ultimate sacrifice. You are not forgotten. And for the ones that have gotten forgotten in the past, you are no longer forgotten. Your sacrifice will be remembered.